What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see the title of the video. Y'all see the thumbnail. Man, boy. That rain won't let me be great, man. I'm so tired. I'm tired of rain, man. It done rain every day of the week, man. Like, whew. It been one of them times, man. It done rain literally every day of the week. This is crazy. But y'all see the title of the video, man. Without further ado, to get into it. All right, now look, check this out. It crazy. It weather crazy. Raindrops, and now it just sunny. I don't know. Let me sit in the back of the Festiva. There we go. We'll make me a homemade umbrella tent, whatever you want to call it, the BCG Pro Mud. But man, nah, that joker there needs some blunt powder in it, boy. It smell wild. That joker needs some blunt powder. Hold on, man. Glory. But y'all see the title of the video, man. I know y'all been coming with these talking videos, but sometimes you gotta talk to explain what's going on and this and that. So, give y'all a story. And y'all, man, I ain't even gonna show the car I was gonna get. But I wasn't capping. I mean, y'all see I just dropped the video telling y'all why I haven't picked it up yet. Which, basically, I had bought a car, right? And the engine was getting refreshened up. It had a nice engine in it. It was getting refreshened up, so it was gonna have a fresh new engine. And I was getting it put in. I was getting it put in at the shop. It was already at. And I had paid for that and everything. So y'all gonna see it like this week coming up. But you know, it was some issue with the paperwork, with the paperwork and stuff on the car, like the title and all that. You know, getting it registered. So I was like, man, I can't. As much as I wanted it, I said, I can't, man. I just can't. I can't, the paperwork got to be straight and stuff. You got to have insurance, you know, titling and all that stuff, man. Some cars require title, some of them don't here in Georgia. I mean, laws different depending on where you stay. The laws are different, but I like, man, the paperwork, it was just a process. It's a process getting it straight or whatever called. The car was just pretty much being raced. I mean, it wasn't being driven, but it's a nice car. So, you know, the guy didn't want to tear it up. And, you know, which I wouldn't either, because it was a nice car. But the guy didn't want to tear it up, making it a race car. But the headache, it's just a headache getting the paperwork straight. So I was like, man, when I seen everything you got to do to get the paperwork straight on it, which I know all the law, cause I done sold and bought cars for years. And I stay up to date with this stuff called laws do change, man. They constantly change. A lot done changed with the car buying and selling process from 10 years ago. A lot done changed, man. So I basically, man, I talked to him. I was like, man, since you got to go through all this and loopholes and stuff to get the paperwork, I was like, man, we'll just do a refund and then do it like that. So that's why I ended up getting my money back, man, which I went early this morning, and when it made that happen, got the money back or whatever. But it just, it was that, man. And I hate, like I said, man, it happened like that, because I really wanted it, man. But It's just too much, man. It was just too much. So y'all ain't gonna see that one. You ain't gonna see that one. I mean, it just is what it is. But what the world? But I got some good news. So this video not all bad news. I got some good news though. I already found another one. And this one I'm going to get tomorrow. So when y'all will see it, it'll be either after this one or it's gonna be 2 days after this one. Y'all will see it. And this is a nice one too. I be finding them, man. I mean, it's good having a good fade card and being connected in the card game and stuff. Cause yeah, the market is ridiculous. The market is ridiculous, but if you every now and then, man, you can find something that I would say worthwhile, and you know, like I said, worth the ticket. So, like I said, it ain't all bad news. It's I know y'all ain't feeling that fast. Ain't no way. I'm finna come check. I got them working, man. They cleaning. They trying to get everything straight. I got them going. But they come out here looking. I said, ain't no way y'all doing that fast. But anyway, that like I said, it ain't all bad news, man. But that ain't why I hadn't picked up the car though. The reason why I had picked up the car, what I told y'all in the last video, that's true. This happened just like right after I shot that video. I was like, man, it's just the process getting that stuff straight, man. And I'm like, I ain't trying to do all that. And I know what you have to do. But I'm like, man, I found another one, which is nice. And this light was this one that wasn't even advertising nothing like that. That's why I said it's just knowing people, man, good people, you know what I'm saying, and just being connected, all I can say. So we got another one, man, that coming. Like I said, that's just the way it happened. Like I said, it wasn't no clickbait or nothing. I actually did purchase that car. I had purchased that car, but I got my money back, man. Like it was 3 days later, I got my money back. But we already got another one. I'm going to get it tomorrow. I would have been going to get it today, but our schedules just didn't align. So I'm going to get it tomorrow, and we're gonna have a new car coming to the channel still. We still gonna have a new car coming to the channel called, hey man, I told him in that mode, man, I'm hell bent on getting a ride, man, a new ride to add to the fleet. Cause this junk killing me not having 3 cars running at least, man. I got 2 cars running. So it's just killing me. I mean, I got 3 running, but I can't drive the truck, cause like I said, the transmission done, it'll mess around and contaminate the rest of the transmission. So I gotta get another one. I got to get another one, man. And hey, boy, I got some plans for this, boy. I got some plans for this. Y'all gonna like this. Y'all gonna like this, man. I got some plans for it. Y'all gonna like this. And like I said, at the end of the day, man, I'm gonna have 10 cars, man. I'm gonna have 10 cars. They're gonna be my fleet. I still got it's a few cars. I'm just gonna say it's a few cars I got in my mind I like too, but I never mentioned it to y'all. So who knows what it is? I mean, y'all don't know what it is, but this is for sure. I'm going to buy it tomorrow. Hey, everything gonna be smooth like it's supposed to be, and it's a nice ride, man. It just hit me late, man, cause I had talked to him a month ago, and it hit me. I'm like, man, let me hit him. Actually, somebody that watched the channel, man, a real supporter. So it make it even better. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna shot with him, man. A real supporter. So this car here gonna be special. Like anytime it's somebody that's a real supporter, like it's special. So we got some, man. We got some coming. But y'all know I gotta keep y'all in the loop. With everything, man. Sometimes this what it is, just talking, but it's good to listen so you know what's going on and you ain't in the dark. Cause let me tell y'all what's gonna happen. It's gonna be some people, they gonna skip over the video and they ain't gonna know what's going on. So when they see the new car, they gonna think it's the car that I was originally talking about in the first video why I bought the car. They ain't even gonna know. They ain't gonna know the backstory. So it's good to watch this stuff, man, cause this is what unfolded. In like 2-3 days. So that's why I got my money back. Y'all see on the thumbnail too. I got my money back. So we got one coming though. We got one coming. I got my money back, and then going the next day to go get one. So, hey man, it's just good. All like I said, good to be connecting this and that, and just know your laws and stuff, man. When it comes to this, every state different and all that. Like people, I see on Facebook discussing stuff. People be afraid of a bill of sale car. Man, you don't have to be afraid of a bill of sale car, man. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It's a few states that don't even reprint titles cause the car so old and stuff. So you just got to know your law, man. It's so many people out there don't know the laws and stuff. I mean, some states just would not print or reprint a title. You can have the title, and they still won't reprint it cause it's so old. You just, hey, it registered to you. That's what it is. It's yours. You the owner. It's yours. That's it. You know what I'm saying? You can go through and I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna do a video about this stuff too. The process you can take. You can do VNTechs. You pay for VNTechs, man. They can cost anywhere from $10 to $25. It's worth it. Just do your research. Or you can check the van to tell you the history. It basically give you a Carfax on that car. They give you the vehicle history and you know, it'll tell you if it's been any accidents, any recalls from the factory on the car, even if it's an old car. And if any factory when it was first initially bought, how many owners it's had, and you can call your DMV and get this stuff too. But you know, by law, can't nobody give you the name of who the owners were. You can't do that by law. Even VNTechs won't do it too. But it's just a good process to do. If you buy any car, just do a VNTech. Like I said, thoroughly check the car, especially the old car. Get on your back, get on there, check the frame, this and that. Check the floors. You know, peel the carpet back. You know, the little hidden areas, man. You know, it's good to do stuff like that. Which I did a video like that when I was talking about buying a box Chevy. I did it on my other channel, JMalcom 2004 Ride. But you know, I might do another video like that too. A little process you can do, man. Especially buying old car, buying any car too. This stuff apply to any car except the rust and all of that. But the VNTechs and stuff, it's just good to do with any car, so you know the history, whether it been in the wrecks or if it's a rebuilt title, aka a salvage title or anything like that. You know, it's just good to check that stuff. But yeah, man, that's the update, y'all. I mean, kind of crazy, I know, but hey, time is something I don't have a lot of all the time. So we back at it tomorrow. We would have had today, but like I said, our schedule just didn't align. But we back at it tomorrow, man. Hooking the trailer up, man. Taking me a little ride. I gotta take a little ride. But I'm gonna take a little ride, man, and we coming back with something tomorrow. Coming back tomorrow, man, and we're gonna kick it straight out. I promise. It's gonna roll like this. Boom, boom. Power moves. I already got some shaking, man. I promise y'all, boy, y'all about to, ooh, hoo, hoo, woo. Hey, y'all know when I get something, I already plan it out before I even get it, man. Like, I already have a bill plan. Like, when I got R&B, I already knew what I was gonna do. I knew I was gonna remix the engine. I already knew everything I was gonna do. I knew I was gonna mount it up and do the rear end, cause a single tie, everything. Got the Showtime transmission, suspension been redone. Only thing I gotta do is the brakes. But I knew I was gonna do all that stuff. I knew it. So I got the same thing with this, man. This finna be, it's gonna roll. Like boom, boom, boom. It's gonna roll. And then, hey, we don't know what it is, man. Then I seen all the guesses and stuff. Hey, man, we don't know what it is. Could it be my Grand National? I want it. Cause I seen somebody talking about the Grand National 30,000. They been 30,000, man. I mean, they were unprepared. Like, you know, hey, I'm prepared. Or I am. Or I was prepared. Maybe I did it. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? You know, you just, when you go on the Grand National, like the one like I want, you ready, man. You know you're gonna come with $30,000 to $40,000. Like, it's in your mind, so it ain't no sticker shock. It ain't no sticker shock on them with me, cause I'm so into them, and I've been studying them so long. I keep up with them, how the market go on them. Like, I was gonna pay 30 to 40 anyway. Like, that's what I ready for. In my mind, I said I want 30 to 40K Grand National. I mean, I done found some. I done seen them for 10, 15. They fixer uppers, but which I'm gonna get 2 of them. I'm gonna get me a fixer upper, but that one I want to trick out the engine, this and that. So you know you got to have your all original one, just untouched, unmolested. Then you have your one you trick out, which I don't want to put no rims on no Grand National, so people can forget that I ain't doing it. But I'm gonna have my one where I done went in the engine and I did a little tinkering, you know what I'm saying, with that V6. There's that 6-cylinder power, man. Y'all see that swirl, that 6, and tinker with it a little bit. But yeah, man, we got another one coming, man. Got another one coming. I'm going to get it tomorrow. I'm super excited. I'm ready. Still gonna roll fast and all that. So that's the update, man. Y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna turn on up in a little bit, man. And I should be getting Dolo engine back next week too. Finally, I should be getting it back next week. So there's some good news too. And then we'll have that cooking car. I need to get oil pressure on that joke again. And I gotta check on Law to see how they coming with meats. But yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.